How to cancel Instacart order. Cancel Instacart. So if you wish to cancel your Instacart order, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instacart application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now what you have to do is you can set different little options over here. As you can see, you can come to your accounts tab, you can come to your buy it again tab, or you can come to this little statements icon. But what you can do is you can also go ahead and then tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side. Then from there you'll find the option called orders. Just go to the orders tab, and when you come to the orders, you will see a list of orders that you have made, and depending upon the order that you would like to cancel, you'll find the option to cancel them accordingly. This way you will be able to cancel your Instacart order. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.